In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the HubSpot meeting scheduler in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to streamline your organization's scheduling process or ensure that all your meetings are neatly arranged without any overlaps, HubSpot's meeting scheduler is a fantastic tool to get you started. First things first, let's dive into the process by logging into your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account already, make sure to create one, as this will be the platform where you'll coordinate your meetings. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to head over to the Settings section. You can find this by navigating to Settings, then selecting General, and finally Calendar in your HubSpot account. This setup is crucial for aligning your schedule with the tools we'll be using next. Once you're in the calendar settings, you'll want to connect your preferred calendar service. Whether you rely on Google Calendar, Office 365, or Exchange Calendar, it's important to ensure that these integrations are in place so your meetings are synchronized and easily accessible. Connecting your calendar not only helps you keep track of meetings, but also ensures that everything from invitations to updates happens seamlessly. Now, after you've connected your calendar, the next step is to link your email to HubSpot. This connection allows HubSpot to track communications, making it much easier to streamline the scheduling process. You'll be able to schedule meetings directly from your email, which is a huge time saver. Next up, take a look at the Meeting Scheduling Pages checkbox within your calendar settings. Make sure the box is checked. This option is what enables the scheduling feature, giving you and your clients a convenient way to set up meetings without the usual back and forth. You're now ready to create a meeting scheduler. So head over to the Sales tab and click on Meetings Scheduler. From here, you'll see an option that says Create Scheduling Page. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll begin to see things come together. Choosing the type of meeting is crucial, and HubSpot offers a few different options. You can select from one-on-one, group, or round-robin types. Choose the one that best suits your needs. After picking your meeting type, now it's time to customize your scheduling page. Add the internal name, event title, location, and duration. Furthermore, set your availability to ensure that your calendar reflects the times you're actually open for meetings. Lastly, if necessary, you have the option to further personalize your scheduling page. This could include adding a payment link if applicable, which is particularly handy for consultations or paid training sessions. And there you have it. Your HubSpot meeting scheduler is now set up and ready to help you organize meetings effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to make the most of your HubSpot experience.